you love candle holders, Dollar Tree, and easy DIYs, then you're going to absolutely love today's video. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. All right, you guys, now, as I mentioned, there are some fun Dollar Tree DIYs in this video that I'm super excited about. I really love candles. I have candles in probably almost every room in my house at some way or another. Actually, I think I do have, I'm kind of thinking I have candles in every single room. And I really love not only buying candles, but also kind of creating my own Dollar Tree kind of DIYs and votives using Dollar Tree supplies. So that's what this video is all about today. Now, before we get into the video, of course, I do want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys know who you are. I appreciate you so much. If you are currently not a subscriber, though, hopefully you will subscribe to this channel, you will like this video, and you will comment below, because I definitely like to interact with you guys as much as I possibly can. Also, at the end of the video, there are some links to some other videos and playlists and all kinds of things here on YouTube with some fantastic, fun, creative ideas, if I do say so myself. All right, guys, let's get into the video. Now, for this first DIY, I'm going to use these floral candle holders that I picked up from Dollar Tree. These could be the perfect poinsettias. However, I am going to go ahead and just keep mine really simple. I'm using some silver metallic spray paint from Rust-Oleum. I gave these each one coat on each side, and boom, these were done. These are the perfect accent to your dining room table. They could be the perfect accent to a coffee table. I love the way these turned out. Now, this next DIY is also going to be very easy. You take these classic kind of Dollar Tree candle holders, and then I'm going to take 4 plastic plates. I picked these up kind of in the section of Dollar Tree where all the entertaining items are. Now, for my paper plates, or my plastic plates rather, I'm going to glue 2 of those together just to make the candle base of these stronger. I want to make sure that these obviously stay together and that they support my candle, and to do that, I'm just going to add some hot glue, and then we're just going to squish them together kind of like so, just making sure that everything is held in place and is very sturdy. Now, for these, I am going to take some hot glue, and we're just going to add it to the top of my candle holder. Now, if you did want to make this more permanent, obviously use an E6000 or super glue or something very similar. For this, I'm probably going to end up redoing these at some point and, repurposing some of my materials here. So I use hot glue. It dries faster for my projects, and I'm also able to recycle and reuse when I want to for something else. Now, once you've got kind of everything all glued together, you're going to want to make sure that it stays together. If you're using an E6000 or something like that, you're going to let it sit for quite a while, of course, before you do that. Now, I took mine outside and I just spray painted them with a bronze spray paint. This is also from Rust-Oleum. And you've got some pretty impressive candle holders when you're all done. You could certainly add some holiday decor and do whatever you like with these. Now, before we go any further, I do want to talk about the sponsor of today's video, Thrive Market. Now, you might be wondering, what is Thrive Market? Well, Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store that's on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. What's so cool about them is that you can shop from thousands of the best-selling organic foods and natural products that are below traditional retail prices, and they will guarantee savings, because if you find a better price elsewhere, they are going to match it, which is crazy. There is a one-stop shopping when you shop at Thrive Market, because you can get everything that you need. They have an amazing selection of organic groceries. They have snacks. They have eco-friendly cleaning supplies. They have non-toxic beauty items, personal care items. They have organic kids items. They have products like wine and meat and seafoods and frozen veggies and so much more. Now, you can filter their catalog by products, by diet, by lifestyle. It's totally up to you. And whether you are gluten-free, vegan, keto. You can shop by 90 different diets and different values. Now, they have a monthly membership that is $9.95 a month, or you can get a yearly membership that's only $59.95, which equates to about $5 a month. Now, you can join Thrive Market today by clicking the link in my description box below, or simply go to thrivemarket.com/thecraftyDIY to receive $60 in gifts when you join Thrive Market today. Our next project is also taking some new Dollar Tree candle holders. I don't know if you've seen these or not at your stores. I have been looking for these for quite a while. I actually found these when I was in Denver with the YouTube gang recently. I picked up 4 of these and carried them all the way back to Atlanta for me because as soon as I saw them, I thought they kind of looked like Christmas trees. So I decided that I would make some early Christmas decor that I can use for my table. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just glue these on top of each other. Again, I am using just hot glue because it makes it very, very easy to separate these if I have to. And then I am using my Rust-Oleum green gloss spray paint. Now, you do want to do a couple coats of the spray paint because it will take a little bit longer than normal to dry, and when it's all done, you've got 2 of the cutest looking little Christmas tree candlesticks that I love so much. Now, this next candle idea is going to incorporate some thrift finds, but also some Dollar Tree supplies. I've got this Dollar Tree garland that I grabbed. I also have this glass vase that was also a thrift find, which fit perfectly inside of here. And I have this adorable snowman ornament that I also grabbed from Dollar Tree. Now, for my garland, I'm going to go ahead and kind of untwine this, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it into 4 equal pieces. And I'm kind of doing this on purpose because it's just easier to work with. This is all on wire, so it's actually pretty easy to join it all together once you are kind of wrapping any kind of candelabra or any kind of candle, metal candle holder of any kind. And then rapid fire, we're going to kind of speed it up here. I did add just a little bit of hot glue on there, and then for each of the kind of candle holder parts, I am going to go ahead and wrap my garland around there. And then if I get to the end of the candle holder, not a big deal at all, because I am going to just kind of carry it around the rest of the round circle there, because we will eventually be covering this all with our garland. Now, as you can see here, I've got my 4 kind of candle pieces already covered in the garland, and then I went ahead and just started wrapping the rest of the garland here. This was a little bit easier to manage because I just kind of balled it up there, and as you can see, I'm just kind of taking it and wrapping it all around, trying to make sure that the spacing is about the same all the way around. That way I have something that is very kind of even and consistent. Now, my candle holder there is brass, and I did not want to spray paint it. If you wanted to spray paint yours, you certainly could. It is yours. Do whatever you want with it. I kind of like that aged brass color, and I wanted to keep it just the way it was. Now, also just a reminder while I'm kind of finishing this up, if you are not currently a subscriber to my channel, that would mean so much to me. Please definitely subscribe. And now that we've got everything kind of all wrapped and ready to go, I'm going to add my glass vase. And now for our ornament, we are going to go ahead and just kind of clip off the ornament part of that, because our snowman is going to be standing freely down inside of this dome. Now, I did want to give him something to kind of play around with, so I am going to add some Epsom salt into the bottom of my vessel. Now, I don't have very much Epsom salt, unfortunately, but, snow is just starting to fall in some parts of the country, maybe. And we are going to add our snowman just kind of nestled down there in the middle. And what's so great about this is that the way his arms are, it actually kind of helps him stand up inside of the candle holder. I thought this was so cute, and when you add those candles in there, how adorable and how cute is this for your holiday table? I'm obsessed. I know many of us are still celebrating fall, and I, of course, had to include this very, very cute candle holder. I found these adorable pumpkin candle holders at Dollar Tree, and when I found them, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. Now, I grabbed 6 of them total. I couldn't find them all in the same color. That's okay, because I was going to spray paint them anyway. Now, for my first kind of pumpkin tower, if you will, I'm going to stack 3 of them on top of each other, and I'm just going to glue them on top of each other. And when I do glue them, I'm trying to make sure that the kind of seams of the pumpkin are lining up as much as you can. And then for the second tier, we're only going to do these in a stack of 2. And once again, just kind of making sure that everything is lined up. And now you've got a trio of candlesticks. Now I took them outside, and I'm just going to use this harvest orange color that I have from Rust-Oleum. And again, I am just going to give this a couple coats of paint and let this dry in between. I put it out in the sun, just made sure that it was getting lots and lots of attention, and just making sure that my coats were as even as possible. And when it's all done, you've got the cutest harvest candle holders that you can use for fall decor. Now, of course, Dollar Tree also carries some really cute votive holders and candle holders that you don't have to do anything to. These turkey candle holders are the perfect example. I saw these and thought that they were perfect as is. I also loved these metal candlesticks that I was able to pick up at my local Dollar Tree store. 3 different sizes and so cute. All right, you guys, let me know in the comments below which ones were your favorite. I definitely think the green Christmas tree DIYs were definitely my favorite ones. And I also really liked the kind of thrift flip that I did. I think it's going to be really perfect for the upcoming holidays. All right, guys, take care, and be sure to stick around and watch some of those other videos that are linked all in these different boxes here. And I will chat with you later. All right, guys, bye-bye.